Okay, so this is the box that the hotspot comes in with. So you open it and you're gonna see the device, hotspot. Underneath that you have a set of instructions packet that I'm going to be going over it. A battery. Okay, this battery goes inside here. All you have to do is open it, and you open it through the back. I don't know, you can see there's something you can put your nail there. Open it, and you're just going to install the battery right there, and you have to close it back in like so. Okay, I'm not going to use the battery right now because it also comes with a charger. Okay, please do not lose the chargers. They're proprietary things for this one. If you use something else that has a different volts, it can damage the device. So please do not lose this. If you lose this, LISD will not provide extra ones. There's no extra ones. It's on what it comes with the box. There's no extra ones. So please do not lose these ones or use it to charge anything else. It is only for this device. So you have the cable. I'm not going to charge it here because I have it here, right there. Okay, and you connect it through there. And once you see the green light, that means it has power. So you turn it on. There you go, and it says ellipsis jetpack. You have to wait a little bit to actually see something else. I'm going to go do this in real time, so there you go. Once you see this, it says my jetpack or settings and info, connect, then visit. Do not visit the website. You don't need to. All you have to do is go to your internet settings and find the ellipsis. The ellipsis, it's called ellipsis. Okay, once you have the ellipsis on, make sure it's on. You go to the internet settings. You have to find the ellipsis right here. Connect. You're going to click three times three times until you see the password. And you're going to put that password right there. Once you connect, you're good to go. Okay, so this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please use the hotspot wisely. It's only for students and student work. This is not to watch Netflix or YouTube in excessive use because it will run out of bandwidth. Okay, if you have any questions, please contact the school and we're happy to provide more information about it. Thank you.